Aha, flower. Flower, turn, let us see. Flower, stop beating up the chickens, honey.
No, yo quiero. Pero no. A ver, si quieres, necesito otro trabajo.
So I'm watching to see if she's gonna do it again. The little Callie by your feet. Spitz. That's what she is, isn't she?
I don't know what Spitz is. Spitz is great.
She looks like a muted Callie kind of thing. Like a, well, she's so striped, so.
No, she's a squirrel.
She's a squirrel? She's a tabby? Well, she's got some funky tabby colors.
She's officially a tabby, but she's like squirrel, rubber backwards, and she's different color.
Right.
Her mom was probably a Tortie. She's like a
Yeah.
Tortie tabby cross.
Just in case Christine decides to play this with the volume on, let's go over here and introduce you to who we're talking about.
It's Spitz.
Here she goes.
We're gonna have to switch you to the other arm. Woohoo! Chad! Chad!
Reggie. Get to Reggie. Oh, Reggie says I got the book. I got the book.
Do you know Reggie used to do that shit, Reggie?
Why?
He's fair.
Oh, so he just needed a lot of socialization.
Reggie says, don't touch me unless I ask you to. But I'm
And
no
put
longer
in
asking.
Spitz again. Funk it by Spitz and see what she does. Oh, she gets picked on. She's like, what are you doing with that? She looks like a little hyena.
She's crazy. She goes, I like to play. Did you like that?
Well,